are you? Have you enjoyed your lunch? Okay. Now, previously we have been learning about the mole. Is it okay? So we said, what is mole? Mole means what? Who can remember? Mole means what? The mole. Yes, David? Can you try somebody else to help him? The smallest number of atoms in an element. Okay? So under the mole topic, we have a topic under that we have titration. So the mole is where we can possibly try for the number of moles of any substance. We said an atom is the smallest part of an element that can take part in a reaction. Okay? So under the topic, the mole, we want to know how many parts of a substance are reacting there. Okay? So for today, we have there on your table there. Can we look? We have a burette. Can you see a burette? This one is a burette. Burette is there. So those are the apparatus. Can anybody see a burette? Burette? You have seen the burette? Okay, we have a pipette. This is what we are calling a pipette. Pipette is there, you are sharing. And sure you see one, that's a pipette. So the pipette is always 25 centimeters cubed. The volume here. The volume of a burette is how many? How many there? Can we read? The pipette is 25. What about a burette?
50.
50. Very good. So a burette has 50 centimeters cubed when it is full. Okay? So those are the substances that we have. The same, we have solution. We have a solution there. Solution B. Look on the table there. It is a solution. A solution. Can we see? Solution. Liquid. Name A. Another liquid. Name B. Can you carry A? Liquid A. Can you see it? Liquid. Solution A. Liquid inside have there. Can we pick the one that is there? This one is not seeing. This one is solution A. Each table have there. Is it okay? Now, so we want, looking at our paper, we have solution A and we have solution B. Which one has molarity? Which one has there? Solution B. So B has 0.5, 0.2 molar. 0.2 molar, B. So we want to use B to find the molarity of A. Okay? So we do what? We do titration. This one here. So we want to follow the instructions on the paper and try and search for the molarity of solution A. This one. But we are going to use what? We are using solution B. So you must be able to use a burette and a pipette to find the solution, the molarity. Now, the same, we have a conical flask. You know this one? We have a conical flask. You have seen. We are sharing there. We have two. At the same time, this one is methyl orange indicator. Indicator we are sharing. 4 tables, they are sharing. One is there. So now, there are 8 we are sharing. At the back there we have. Is it okay? Which solution you are putting in the burette and which one we are putting in the pipette. Okay? So, can we read there? You are given what? One to read. One person to read there. You are given? Yes, We should be in a conical flask. Very good. So we are taking 25. Now, 25 we use what? We use burette or pipette. 25. We use what? We use a pipette. So all of us, can we pipette 25 of B? You know how to pipette? You use your mouth, you pull up. Can we pipette? Can we pipette? Yes, pipette. Use a pipette up to the mark here. Can you pipette? Take up to the mark. Yes, that group is doing good. Pipette. Up to the mark, yes. Then you close with the hand. We close with the finger, Pipette, then you close. B. And pipette B. Yes. Pull up to the mark. Pull up to the mark. Again. Up to the mark. Take it fast. Yes, okay. Now, put that one in the conical flask. Put it there. That's good. 25, good. Put in a conical flask. 25. You are finished. Okay. Put in a conical flask. Okay. Now, come up here. Stop. 25. That's okay. Can we put in a conical flask? Pull, then you close. All of us are okay? Pull up to here. Yes, this one is okay. Can you put in the conical flask? You transfer. Then you put there. Then release. Hold it. Good. Are we okay? All of us? 25. You transfer in the conical flask. The mark is here. Okay. Pull a little bit. It's okay? I'm going to put down here. That's good. This dog. A little bit. Try to ensure it is at the mark. Good. Now transfer the conical flask. Transfer. Hold it and put good. Are we okay? All of us. Now using the indicator, what you have transferred in the conical flask, you take the indicator, press the indicator, then pull a little. 3 drops. That's okay. All of us have done that. Okay. So this one is 25 centimeters of solution B. Is it okay? So once the solution has entered there, we are taking the indicator. This one helps us to see the color change. Okay? So you take this one a little bit, press. You press 3. That is 1, 2, slowly, not very fast. Then 3. So can we do it the same? Then we have a solution, a new solution. 2, 3, okay. Add 3, 1, 3. 3. Then you start the new solution. 1. What is the color? Color is what? Ensure you take solution B. Some have taken solution A, which is wrong. Yes, they can. Yes, look at my solution. One they have used a wrong solution. This one. Have you taken this one? You took this one is wrong. So you clean this one. This one is solution A. We want B, this one here. So can you you clean first, water. Ensure it is solution B, not A. You should not confuse, they are named. This one, which one? There. Add 3. It's okay, it's okay. 1. 2. You are through. Good. So you put it there, understand? 3. Now can we start the solution? Start the solution. What's the color? Color is orange. It's orange. Very good. We have repeated. Now use the indicator. We see 3 drops. That is 1. So you can see before they were wrong. The color changed. 2, 3. Now the last one. Let's start the solution. Now start the solution. What's the color? Is it the same as this one? So this one was wrong. Good. I hope all of us have solution B. It's okay. Now, okay. So we are putting in the burette A. If the burette is high, you adjust, you lower it down, then put the solution. So put there A, not B. B we are finished. So you put there A. No. We are pouring in the burette. Solution A. clean. You pass through small water. Water. This one is clean water. Put a little. Little, very little. Let it stay on the stand. Close it there. Stay there. This big. Don't bother the stand. The stand is okay. It's okay. Okay? Let it stay there. So you put small water to clean the burette. Okay? Very small. Then you open. You open for the water to come out. So you open. You press there. The water to come out. Okay. Now you press here for the water here. Stay there. You have put the water. It's clean. Put the water. Close. That is close. Now open. Open the liquid to come out. So you must always go. Okay. You have clean. Water is out. Okay. So you close the burette. After opening, you close. You close. What is that? Open, the water come out, open. We have said we are using a small water to clean. Please rinse very fast. Rinse. You continue. You understand? Try. Press hard. Here. Slowly but hard. This one here. Only. After you have cleaned, you close. You close. Here. Press. You try there. Right? Not very fast. Slowly. Are we all okay? Press hard. Press hard. Huh? Try. Are we okay there? Yeah. Press. You continue pressing. This one water is a lot. It's okay. Clean it. Go through here. You press the hard. This one. Okay. You press the hard one. Good. It's okay. Can you do it? You have finished. It's clean. Okay. So if all of us have cleaned the burette, now next we are putting in solution A. Okay? Yeah. Now the burette is clean. So we add what? Solution A. Look at what I'm doing first. We are adding. So you add slowly. Slowly. Solution A. Wait. I do it, then you. So you add up to the 0 mark. Let the liquid, the solution A, be above the 0 mark, okay? Above, little. So you must add slowly, not very fast, because we don't want it to come out, okay? There, up to here, slowly. Do it slowly, do it slowly. Okay. That means you are not close. So use this one. This one is not working well. Use this one. That is okay. Are we okay? This coming back. Solution A. This one is not working. Now, let us share. Let us use this one. This one is okay. Okay? We are all okay? Now, next, we are using flask, we have B. In the burette, we have what? Titrate. We want to titrate there. First, look at me. Look at what we are doing here. Let us observe. We want to titrate. So you ensure your burette is, we can adjust. So that it is near, okay? But not slower. Now, then we are opening slowly. So we open two hands. One hand on the conical flask and the other on the burette. So you open. Are we seeing? So the liquid must come out slowly, slowly. And we look at the color here. When the color changes from orange to a new color, we expect which color? New? We expect pink. So the new color will be pink, then you stop the titration, okay? Yeah. So, can we try? So that you can see the color. This one helps to see the color, okay? When you put it far, you cannot see the change. This one helps to reflect, then you see the color. So here, you do it there, continue, here. This one you can open it, come down. It changes the color, you stop, you don't continue. That one? Can you stop now? Very good. That's okay. Now, lower this first. So, immediately the color changes, then you stop. Gone. Did we put this one was wrong? They confused. Where is solution A? Where is A? Which one is here? The place, which one? You added same B here. No, we said you put here A. So can you empty it? This is B. So we want A. A. This one here must come here. Okay, so empty. So we must repeat. We pipette again 25 B. 25 B. This one here. Now, first pipette 25 B. You read there. Rinse with water. Water is in there. We have the final reading and the original reading. Okay? Then we have the volume of the solution. We have the volume of the solution. So first, where did we start? Solution was at what? At 0, 0. So we have initial reading is 0, 0. That was the first reading. Okay? Now, after titrating, we have a new volume. So can we read there? How many? Can we read there? Good. So you can see my color has changed as well. It is now the new color. Okay? So this one, some of you I can see it is very, very pink. That means you continued. Immediately the color changes, you must stop. Okay? So I have mine. My reading is what? Let me see my reading. So we are reading starting up, going downwards. So you look at your burette very well. Look at your burette. So we are saying, if here it is 10, this is 50. Now here we have 0. So we are looking at the reading. We want to read, okay? Now starting here, we are going downwards. The last one is 50, okay? So we read starting upwards, going downwards. If the volume is here, and here we have, this is 5, this is 10, 15, 20, 25. So if your solution is showing here, you must read inside. What is the smaller number? So we count outside. So we have minus here. That is how many? So this is 20. Then we have 21, 22, 23. So this is 23. Okay? So you read starting up, going down, not starting down, going up. Okay? Can we read and record the 12.3? Yours is? How many? This one is what? 5. Oh, this one is at 6. 6 point what? 6.5. Very good. So you rest there.
Yeah, it must have to be das cube.
No, record the answer only to 1 decimal point. Okay? Decimal point is just 1. Record what you can see. What is that? 8.6. Okay. What is yours? How many? 6.1 or 2. This is 6.2. The meniscus, not the up one. The meniscus. Okay. So we are record at 6.2. All of us have. Yes, solution A. Yes. No problem with different reading, because each student must have your own work. Okay? So you do not look at your neighbor. you look at your work. But if all follow the procedure the same, then the answer will be will be the same. Difference not above 2. If the volume is not above 2, it's okay. No worries, okay? Because we expect some students to be very clean. Others, maybe they mix a little mixture, so the volume may be different a little. But if it is difference of more than 5, now that is wrong. But between 1, 2, that is okay. Is it okay? Class, are we okay? Are we okay? Did you enjoy the lesson? Okay. Thank you very much. Now we are going to learn how to calculate the molarity using the volume that we have cut there. Okay? Thank you very much. Do not mix the mixture. Do not mix. No. Leave them the way they are, please.